estate to real estate. It's Money Matters with Dino.
So in my situation, I'm the sole breadwinner. And, recently, obviously, we got $1 million on my wife. She struggled with it a little bit. She didn't really understand why. And here's my viewpoint. If you're in that kind of situation, and I work a lot, and it's what I do, and I provide for my family. And if something happened to my wife, who's going to take care of the kids? Who's going to take care of the family? And I came to the realization that, I won't be able to work as much as I work now. And not only that, but I'm just kind of guessing I'm going to be kind of in bad shape for a little while. I mean, my wife just died, and then I got to figure out how to deal with the kids and make do and drop them off and pick them up. And that cuts my workday down by quite a bit. So right. I viewed it as I went and got $1 million on her. And if anything happens, number one, I can immediately just kind of stop working for a little bit, or at least put everything on the back burner. If my income cuts in half because of it, so be it. I can have a good 3-4 months of dealing with the kids and their emotions and everything that's happening, finding the right person to come in and start helping me, and developing a schedule for the whole family. And a lot of people that are in my position don't think about that. But imagine if that happened and your wife was the one that went, your whole life is going to change, right?
It's extremely devastating, and you're right. And I'm so glad you brought that up, because the biggest thing that happens when somebody passes is first thing is they get the fear of, am I going to be able to survive this, right, financially? And that's the last thing you want to have when somebody dies, is you want them to have the ability to mourn, like you just said. Maybe not work for a while and not have to worry about money. I've got an interesting article that I'll make available to any of the viewers or the listeners if they want it. We did a study through a company called LIMRA, who's a nonprofit. They do studies around life insurance, and they have an article that says that to replace what your wife does, taking care of the kids, doing the groceries, taking them to sporting events, it would cost you, Dino, about $56,000 a year to replace what she does at home.
Wow.
And so when I sit with a couple, they say, oh, we don't need life insurance. My wife, well, okay. How are you going to work if, she's gone? You're going to have to pay somebody for that. Yeah. And it costs about $56,000 a year to replace what she does. Unbelievable. But, they're my wife always tells me she should get paid for doing what she does, and I agree. She should. Yeah, it's not an easy job.